something creeping towards my tent. I'm scared, bro. Skinwalkers.
Devil.
I'm terrified. Bro, you've got to be kidding me. It's like pushing on my chest. Something does not want me here. What's up, guys? Jody Dean here, Mr. Hunting the Dead. Welcome back to another video. Right now, I am getting ready to do my first Okay, there was just like some coyotes. That's not good. I'm just doing my intro right now. I'm getting ready to do my first ever overnight camping video alone. And I just heard a bunch of coyotes howl. So I got some gear here. I'm fairly new to this. You can tell by the way I'm dressed. I'm not dressed like I'm going camping. You can still hear them. I got a tent. I do got some gear. I went to Walmart and just pretty much bought like a handful of things. I'm not going to be cooking over the fire tonight. I just brought some snacks like some beef jerky. I brought some bottled water. I got a tent. I'm gonna make a fire to hopefully keep animals and stuff away from me. I got my firearm. I got a sleeping bag, and I got a few other little things. I got some gadgets. I got some paranormal stuff. So that brings me to the next thing. Where I'm doing this at is a known area where skinwalkers have been sighted. I've been following the skinwalker thing along for a while, and I haven't really had a great experience. I haven't found anything definitive, so I'm hoping this video is that we're gonna witness something really compelling out here tonight, because everybody else says that they see stuff out here in these woods. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the process of me getting ready for this, and we're gonna camp overnight, just you and I. Okay, so I got the tent put together. I guess the next thing I need to do is start a fire. Again, I'm all very new to this. I don't want to act like a super professional, but this is all fairly new to me. Usually when I camp, I rent a cabin. I've never stayed the night in a tent for an entire night. So this is all new and exciting, but however, I am very scared because I've heard some very dark things about this area. Once I get the fire going, I'll tell you guys some of the stories that I've heard. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more put to the side. That way I don't have to do it later on. And we're gonna get this baby cracking. All right, this is called some fire start. And I just light this, add it to this, and supposedly it'll do its thing. These things are so much easier to start a fire. I tried to do this one time, like the old traditional Boy Scout way, and having a lighter and having these fire starters is definitely a big asset if you're trying to hurry up and beat time, which we are trying to do right now because it's getting ready to get dark. As you guys can see, it's starting to get dark. The sun's going down over the horizon there, and I am completely surrounded by woods. Starting to get a little chilly out here. This is my video for my family, just in case I don't make it out of this one. I love you guys. I'm sure everything will be alright, but I'm one of those people, man. If I'm on a plane and I got a bad feeling, I'm in the woods, I have a bad feeling right now. The stories of this place are that there are skinwalkers sighted here regularly. Although I don't know if that's true or not, you hear it a lot. One thing I do know that's true is I heard coyotes a little bit ago, and I've seen coyotes in this area, as well as the boar are really bad right now, as well as there's a lot of foxes, gators, a tremendous amount of snakes here in this area. To top it off, I've been having some stalker issues for a while now, and I don't know if that's going to play a part, me being out in the open. I'm pretty much, you know, just painting a bullseye on myself. So as the fire's getting started here, it's getting dark, the nerves are definitely it's getting a little more intense. All right, that fire is going pretty good right now. I got a plumb pile of wood nearby. I'm going to show you guys some of the gadgets I brought with me. All right, so I got 3 of these lights right here, and I'm going to go ahead and make them, let's go with green. These will help for me to know if anything breaks a perimeter around my tent. Because pretty much if I'm inside my tent, I'll see the light outside and they'll have to walk past it and I'll see their shadow. All right, this is exactly what I was afraid of. There's something creeping towards my tent right now. And I was told if I had a fire, it would stay back, but it's definitely getting close. I can hear it. That's already going out. I'm gonna have to put some more wood on that ASAP. Bro, it just so happens to be a full moon tonight too. It's gonna be completely dark here in a minute. Okay guys, here is some of the gear that I have. I've got an ovulus that we can use to communicate with spirits. I've got a REM pod that I'm gonna put outside the tent. That way if anything comes around it, messes with it, breaks the perimeter, it'll go off, it'll make a noise. Other than that, I've got my night vision camera, which that's gonna be our best friend here tonight. I got a headlamp, I got my firearm, got my phone to call for help. I brought 3 bottles of water and I can't find the other 2. So that might be a little bit of a situation because I've already taken a sip out of this. I don't have a lot. Got some lighters, got some baby wipes to make sure you keep your ass clean. Got some smokehouse sausage sticks, original recipe. They didn't have the teriyaki that I like, but I did grab one of these bad little babies right here. A hot wild stick Slim Jim. So this is our stuff, man. Got the gear pack, got the sleeping bag. I'm looking at this tent now. I can barely move in here. This is the smallest tent ever. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is set like the REM pod. Something come from that way. I was just gonna say, I'm gonna set the REM pod over here. That way if anything messes with it, I'll be able to hear it inside the tent. Okay, so the craziest thing is I get out of my tent and I'm telling you guys I'm gonna set up the REM pod over here, and I hear something come from over here. Say hello, but I'm scared, bro. Fuck. Hello? So one of the stories is about 3 months ago, this girl Angela, she came out here with her father, It was late at night and they were tent camping. They heard some noises and the dad went to check it out. Whenever he did, he just kind of disappeared. She couldn't hear him, she couldn't see him. She started freaking out. He had the gun with him. She didn't have, any means of weaponry, and she stepped out. She didn't know what to do, but she was like, I'm gonna look for my dad. I'm gonna call for him. She's calling. She's screaming for him, and there's no sight of him. He doesn't yell back. The girl stays in the tent until the next morning whenever there's light out, and as soon as it's light out, she's like, okay, I'm gonna make a run for it. I'm gonna try and get to a highway. She finds her dad in the middle of the woods. He's been attacked and he has these bite marks all over him. The crazy thing is some experts looked at these bite marks and they were like nothing they had ever seen before. The funny thing is they were purposely camping in these woods. Like, I might even be in the same spot that they were, to be honest with you guys. They were camping in these woods in search for skinwalkers.
Skinwalkers.
I just want to show you guys how dark it is. I didn't even touch it. I didn't even fucking touch it, bro. What the fuck? Dude, my fire went out. This device here is called an ovulus. This is one of my favorite pieces of ghost hunting equipment, and it's going to be my best friend throughout the night tonight. This has a word bank, a dictionary for spirits, and using their energy, they're able to manipulate what words come through the device. I'm going to show you how it works. And they might start talking right away, so be prepared.
Low, calm, sub.
What? Okay, I said it would possibly start talking right away, and it is sub, calm, below. You might not always know what to make of these things, but they all mean something. Are there skinwalkers here? Are there spirits here?
Devil.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Bro, I'm just starting out here, guys. I'm just starting out here. Hello? What the fuck was that? Who's back there? I am fucking terrified. You just said devil a second ago. Are there devils here? Is there evil here? Speak to me, please. Where is the devil? I feel cold right now. I feel really cold. The temperature's definitely dropped, but I feel really fucking cold right now. Fuck. I've set a REM pod here, At any time tonight, you can come up, you can touch this device and make it go off, just like you heard it go off when I was turning it on. Can you do that for me? As I'm sitting here right now, like, I feel like there's something out here with me. Like, I don't feel alone. It feels like there's a spiritual energy. After so many times of doing this, if there's one thing I can say 100% is when you go to a haunted place, you can feel when there's something, and it feels like there's something here. It's not just the animals, not the bugs, not the insects, not the reptiles. There is something, there's something spiritual here, dude. Like, I almost feel it, like it's like pushing on my chest. What the fuck? It almost sounds like music, dude. Hello? Dude, it sounds like there's fucking music. I'm gonna go ahead and eat me some dinner. Love Slim Jims. These are the best. Only thing that sucks is my fire keeps going out. I am worried about that, because once I do fall asleep, I don't know if that means like an animal might try and attack my tent. Again, I'm not a woodsman, so I'm scared out my mind, guys. Hello? Dude, the fucking thing is going off. The fucking thing is going off. You just set that off whenever I was in the tent. I'm here now. Can you please do it again? Do it for me now that I'm watching. Hello? Fuck, dude. You're playing with me. Stop, I'm right here. What the fuck? Bro, you've got to be kidding me. I'm just hours into this right now, and already I've heard the REM pod go off. The fourth word I got on. Dude, it sounds like there's a vehicle riding around. I just heard something to my left. The fourth word I heard on the Ovilus was devil.
Devil, devil, devil.
I've felt all kinds of energy since I've been out here. I've heard about a half dozen voices, and it sounds like there's like music that's Fuck this.
Just woke up and I hopped on this beat. When the song's over, I'ma fuck me a freak. Hop in the shower and I brush my teeth. Open up my phone and make this a tweet. Okay, bitch, you playing yourself. Hating on me, must hate
I'm finally getting to finish my stick. All night long, All night long, every time I get to take a bite of this, I hear something else. Something else happens. I mean, I'd rather something happen than nothing happen. That's why I'm here, but... Guys, right now we're using something called the Necrophonic app. The creators of this app are also the creators of my app, Scaranoia app. You can download that in the description below in your Google and Apple Play Store. There'll be a link. This app they've created allows spirits to speak to us in real time. Let's see if they have anything to say. Is there anything here with me? Sound like it said monk. Who are you? Sound like you said leave. Will you hurt me if I stay here? Are there skinwalkers here? Speakers on this side, that should help a little bit. Please answer my question. Are there skinwalkers here? Who attacked the man that was with the little girl? Fuck, I just heard something. What will happen to me tonight? Can you tell me what's in these woods? Me. Bro, what the fuck was that? Will I die here tonight? Out of everything that's happening here tonight, when I was just doing that spirit box session, what I heard, not out of the spirit box, but from these woods. Look. I'm scared, dude. There's fucking coyotes, bro.
Who's there?
I just heard something over here. I'm gonna make sure that I'm safe. I think there's something, either someone or something stalking the camp right now. Let me just explain to you what just happened. I was walking down that trail
I could see something ahead moving. I didn't know what it was. All of a sudden, I realize it's not a wolf, a coyote, and I took off running. I was saying Skinwalker, Skinwalker, Skinwalker. I'm saying Skinwalker because from the research I seen, it seems that these things transform. Sometimes they look like a wolf or a coyote, whatever, and they transform into a human being. Like it's a shapeshifter, right? So when I seen that, that's why I was screaming that. I do not know if it was a Skinwalker or not. That's just what I'm thinking because that's what I'm here hunting for. Just want to make that clear. Dude, it sounds like there's something outside of my fucking tent, bro. Jesus, in my brain, God, please be with me. It finally stopped. Dude, I don't know if somebody's out there or not. It's got a fucking bug in my mouth. Dude, did you fucking hear that? There was something around my tent. There was something messing with the tree. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should, look out there and see if there's anything out there. If I should try and get to my truck and leave. Hello? Is there somebody out there? Dude. It's not letting up. Something does not want me here. Jesus, name my prayer. God, please keep me safe. Do not let evil invade me. I'm using something called the Spirit Talker. You can use it to communicate with me Is there anything you would like to say to me? Would you like to warn me? If you want to tell me to leave, you can do so. I get the feeling like I'm not wanted here. Do you want me to leave? What the fuck was that?
Michael.
Michael. Who is Michael? Is Michael here? Tell me about Michael, please. Where is Michael at now? I can leave if you want me to. I'm here investigating the Skinwalkers. Are they here?
He's coming.
Who's coming? Tell me who. Is Michael coming? Fucking Michael Myers, dude. That's what... That sounds like a fucking pig. That sounds like a fucking pig. Tell me what's in these woods. Am I in danger? Sounds like there's something fucking walking around out there. I think there's a fucking hog outside my tent.
Anne.
Anne? Who is Anne? Is Anne another spirit that's here?
Chase.
There was just a fucking gunshot that went off. Chase.
Keep going.
Keep going. What the fuck? Keep... The perimeter light just went off. The fucking perimeter light just went off, bro. It said keep going, then the perimeter light went off. I'm gonna get outside of the tent and walk around. I'm fucking scared shitless. I can't see shit. It's got battery. Sounds like there's something out there. What was that? Bro, what the fuck? I'm so nervous I can't even turn it on. Somehow I laid over. Fuck. Maybe it just fell over, I don't know. No matter where I go, I hear something. If I'm in the tent, it's walking around the tent. If I'm out here, it's walking in the woods. It's like there's something stalking me. I really didn't know what to expect with all this. I thought it sounded fun, man. But coming out here in this area, I just found out how much of a wuss I am. Can't see anything. Just what's in this little screen on my camera. There's fucking obviously something out there. Where are you? I'm gonna use the Ovilus again. Can you tell me what's out here with me?
Halo.
Halo. I could go for a game of Halo right now. It'd be a lot better than being out here in these friggin' woods. What does Halo mean?
Is there something evil here in these woods? There's something creeping. There's something creeping over there right now. There's something creeping over there.
Roger.
Guys, I stopped recording and these responses came through. Wish, mad, aim.
Who's out there? Something moving over there. Tell me what is out there. Please.
3. Date.
3. Date. Is that you? Lead me to where you are. Speak to me. Something just growled by me. Something just fucking growled.
I think I'm gonna take some still pictures here in a second, and I'm gonna put it on this function that will allow the shutter to slow down and capture things that the human eye usually just can't. Maybe we can see some of this stuff. Maybe it's manifesting and I don't even know, you know?
If I take some pictures, will you manifest for me? You think you can do that? I just heard something from there, then I heard something from there. Do you want me to take pictures?
I have no idea what's making that sound. Like, I'm not familiar with any of these fucking things. Okay, guys, I'm gonna attempt to try and go to bed now, and I don't think that's gonna work very well. Seriously, for real, like I was like kind of joking around earlier, but like if anything does happen to me, I love you guys. Alicia, I love you. I love the boys. I've pulled my gun out several times tonight. I've heard something stalking me in my tent. I've heard sounds, footsteps, voices, scratches, noises, everything you can imagine, anything you would imagine that you would hear in a place like this. I highly doubt I'm gonna get any sleep. Alright. It's a moment of truth, guys. I'll see you in the morning. so fucking broke I can't even seal it up all the way. I'm working my way to my truck real quick. I'm gonna go see if I got a bottle of water. It's probably, most likely, a very bad idea. But that's really all I have is a bunch of great bad ideas. I can see the truck. I forgot my keys. I just got to my fucking truck. I don't have my keys. The light on my camera just died. So now I gotta make it back to my tent with nothing but this fucking little screen here on this IR camera. And to top it off, I'm seeing lights down there, bro. It looks like there's somebody like in those woods hunting. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see the lights? Fuck, you can't see them. I'm gonna do this just so I can see where I'm walking. I don't want to step on a snake. Shit. I just had to go for the fucking water, bro. Fucking hunters in these woods, bro. I don't know why they're hunting at night. Do people hunt at night? Is that a thing? The absolute worst night of sleep I've ever had in my life. I don't know if I'm even gonna want to ever fucking do this again. I heard something. I'll be honest with you, I don't even think I really hardly slept. I would fall asleep and hear something and wake up. Fall asleep, hear something and wake up. Slept with this the entire night. That's how fucking scared I was. I was sleeping with the fucking Rambo machete. I gotta get some water, I gotta get some food, brush my teeth, take a fucking piss, and get out of here, dude. I'm over this experience. To be honest with you, I don't know if I documented a Skinwalker or not. I don't know if I had an experience with a Skinwalker or not. I just know that there was some spiritual stuff going on here last night. All night. This morning. This is the quietest it's been since I started making this video.
Hello?
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you okay?
Dude, that was like one of the roughest nights of my life.
Really?
I'm happy you didn't come with me, but at the same time, like, I really felt like I needed somebody out here last night. I don't know if it's because of where I'm doing this, but it's been non-stop ever since I left the house.
Did you get any sleep?
Barely. Maybe, like, combined an hour of sleep.
I'm tired. I'm worried about you all night.
Even, like, right up till just a little bit ago, I was, like, hearing stuff. It finally stopped, so.
How about you pack up and drive all the way home? I mean, if you have to get a hotel, get a hotel, but get some sleep. I don't want you driving with no sleep, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get everything together and I'm gonna get out of here. Alright? Alright, I love you. I'm fucking thirsty. I'm hungry. And I need some sleep. Dude, I'm still hearing coyotes. It's the next morning, and they've just been going all night long. They haven't stopped. It blows my mind that last night the activity wouldn't stop, and right now they don't want to say nothing at all.
Grave.
It just said the grave. Okay, so I guess you do have something to say then. This is the last of the evidence from last night's investigation. Although I'm not sure if we interacted with the Skinwalker or not, one thing's for sure, these grounds were highly active with spiritual activity. This was my first time ever camping overnight in a tent, but out of all the investigations I've ever done, this one makes its way to number 1. I drop new videos every week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, sweet nightmares. It's a fucking Skinwalker. It's a fucking Skinwalker. It's a fucking Skinwalker.